So, I am here now, enjoying myself at the beach, as you can see. And do you know what? I can still make money. I do not need to trade myself to make money. I basically have 20 years experience trading Forex, and even I choose to use copy trading from Star Trader and Pure Prime, and you should too. I follow the best traders so I can enjoy myself here without worrying looking at the chart every single minute to take the trades that is necessary. Why don't let other people worry about these type of things? So, what I want you to do now, go down below the video, sign up today with one of my links that you find below there, deposit some money and start to enjoy your life also. Don't come with this bullshit, I have this and this long experience by trading. I have too. But you know what the difference is? I like to enjoy my life also. I don't want to spend time on these type of things. I can trade myself. I can make profit trading myself. But I prefer to let other people do this job. It's the same like, it's very often that you have your apartment or your house. Certain things that need to be done in your house or outside of the house. This can be from changing the light bulb to painting the house to change some pipes. You probably know one of these things, but do you want to do it yourself or do you prefer other people to do it for you? Of course, this comes to economics, right? But the difference is let's say for example it's to cut the lawn, right? The difference is you can do it or you can have anyone else do it. In this case, when you're talking about copy trading, it's free, so why not do it? It's like if you can have someone paint your house for free, why would you do it yourself? Makes zero sense for me. The same is for copy trading. You can have someone trading for you for free, why would you trade yourself if you can find someone that trades as good as you? But don't come with this bullshit, I'm much better than everyone else. Okay, good for you, but most of you, you're not. So once again, you find a link below the video. Get started today and make money today. Make a comment below if you made an account and made a deposit today, and I will also add you to my VIP list, because yes, I am this type of person that do get bored. This is my full-time job, so I sit with myself at the beach sometimes and I do some trades, and I will share them with you. Okay, so if you want a part of that, well, normally I put a limit of $500 to be a part of this, because I want the people that are part of this group to really be invested, so they take the trades and they are interested, just not joining just to trade another broker. No. So now this is the deal. You can even deposit just $50 today and you can be a part of it if you want that, of course. But I would still prefer if you do the copy trading, because I want you also to enjoy your life at the beach. Like you can see, I'm here now at the beach house here now, enjoying myself. You should too, and you deserve also. Have an amazing day and comment below that you have made a deposit.